How to fix WhatsApp verification code not received problem? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, open settings on your phone. Scroll down and navigate to apps. Select app management and find out WhatsApp. Tap on it to access app info phase of WhatsApp. Tap permissions option and make sure WhatsApp has access both your phone and SMS. If not, you need to select a particular permission and tap allow. Now you need to go back and try activate WhatsApp again. If you still didn't receive the code, you can easily try the call me option. So you can easily choose the call me option on the verification screen and you will receive an automated call with the 6-digit verification code and enter the code to complete your verification. If the problem persists, you can contact WhatsApp support. So you can open WhatsApp. Tap the three dots and then select help and select this doesn't answer my question or simply you can visit the help center and tap on contact us at bottom right corner of your screen. Now on this section you simply need to answer or enter your message. Here you can easily type in a message, suppose, hi team, I am facing an issue with the WhatsApp verification process. I have not received the verification code required to complete the registration. I have checked my connectivity and restarted my device, but the problem persists. So kindly assist me in resolving this matter as soon as possible. Thank you. So WhatsApp support may take some time to respond due to high volumes of requests, but they will help you resolve the issue once you tap on the next button and submit it. By following this step, you can fix the WhatsApp verification code issue. I hope this helps you get back to chatting in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.